Do it again. Do the spider leaving. Do the spider leaving again. Go. What's happening?
Spider?
Do the spider leaving again. Like, tell my wife and kids I love it. Just do it so we can see what it looks like on camera. Yes. Don't be a dick. No, you can't do it. You have to do it. Come on.
I'll do it later. Lunch.
You're so messed up. All you have to do is shut the hell up, Miranda. Just do it up. He doesn't want to do it. Nobody wants to see that. I want to see the spider like leaving. Man, you suck. Look at that stack of freaking Pringles right there from LaRonda Johnson hooking up. Get out of here. We're recording each other. Hi. Besties. Just do it, Albert.
Lunch, I promise.
Fine. Get out of here.
Take camera off, do it just for fun.